Hello again. As we go through the next few days, the weather is very much stuck on repeat. What we've had is pretty much what we're going to get for the rest of the week. So largely dry. The warmest and sunniest conditions will be in the west. It's always going to be that bit cooler and cloudier with some spots of light rain or drizzle at times in the east. And the reason for that is high pressure is firmly in charge of our weather, not just today, but right the way through the weekend. We've got a weak weather front dangling across the far north of Scotland, just introducing a bit more in the way of cloud here, and cloud remaining along the east coast. We could see some stubborn areas of cloud through the Midlands down towards the southeast of England, but we'll also see some holes develop in that. We've also got a keen breeze coming in from the North Sea across the southeast, southern areas and the English Channel. That will take the edge off those temperatures. Push further west though, and we're looking at some sunshine, temperatures responding accordingly. And you can see 11 degrees in Lerwick under the cloud, but in Glasgow we could hit 24, possibly even 26, 21 in London, but again it will feel cooler along the North Sea coast, and especially with the onshore flow. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, if anything, the cloud will romp in again from the North Sea pushing west, but in western areas under clear skies we'll see some pockets of mist form. It's not going to be a particularly cold night for most under the cloud. We're looking at 7 to about 10 degrees as our overnight lows. So a dull start to the day tomorrow with all the cloud around. Still this keen breeze coming in from the North Sea across the southeast and southern areas. A lot of dry weather as the cloud pushes back towards the east coast where it will be cooler. Tomorrow temperatures down a touch, but we could still see 22 or 23 degrees. On Friday, a slight difference in the distribution of the cloud, perhaps brighter across eastern areas, certainly brighter across the Midlands, but we'll have a bit more cloud across the far north of Scotland. And here we're looking at highs 11 to 15 degrees, top temperature 20, maybe 21. The weekend, though, is looking largely dry and also sunny. Now, at times, we still will have some cloud around, particularly in some eastern areas, but for many of us, there will be a lot of warm sunshine around. Temperatures are not as high as the middle of this week, but we still are looking at up to about 22, which is 72 Fahrenheit.